Here in the United States, here's the data drop for you. Core PCE year-on-year comes in line with expectations at 1.4%, an upward revision year-on-year in the previous month as well. So bang in line with the estimate and in line with the previous number as well, which is revised higher to 1.4%. Core PCE month-on-month also in line at 0.2%. The estimate 0.2%. If you look at initial jobless claims, they come in a little bit better than expected, dropping to 238,000. The survey 240. The previous number a revised 240. Personal income 0.4%. The estimate 0.3%, and personal spending coming in at 0.3%. Pretty much bang in line with the estimate of 0.3%, and a very small downward revision to the previous month. That was a mouthful. Let's get to the guest. Joining us from his office in New York, Michael Feroli, JPMorgan chief US economist. Let's just begin with the core PCE data, Michael. 1.4%. What does 1.4% mean for the debate at the Federal Reserve?
Well, it probably doesn't change the debate too much. It's in line with expectations. We are seeing a little bit of an improvement, but probably not fast enough for some of the doves on the Fed who are really worried about how low inflation's come in. You know, like I said, the last 3 months, it's looking a little better, but it's not improving fast enough, I think, to really ease those fears and leave it at no debate. So I think the debate continues at the next meeting.
Michael, personal consumption actually came in, and it wasn't terrible, right? 0.3%. Compensation actually rose 0.3%. The saving rate rose 3.2%. You're a little bit more pessimistic about consumer spending coming into 2018, but these numbers seem to imply we're holding up okay.
Yeah, no, consumption looks pretty good right now, and that's after a pretty strong September. So I think the fact that we're seeing strength continue in October is actually a pretty good sign. So I think consumption in the fourth quarter getting off to a good footing. We'll see later this week how auto sales are in November, but so far I think consumption looks pretty good.